We'll guide you through how to fix a Bluetooth device connected but no sound coming through it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem's annoying as you're then unable to go and use the device for its headphones or speakers. So first of all, go to the bottom right of your computer and right click on the sound icon and press sound settings. If it isn't already, you need to make sure it's selected in output, go and see if it's working. If it still isn't, you want to go and press Bluetooth and devices to the left. You need to go into devices, scroll to the bottom and find more devices and printer settings. In here, find the Bluetooth device and double click on it. At the top, press services. If you see the option, you want to unselect hands-free telephony. Press apply. Press OK, go and see if it's solved. If it still isn't, then what you need to do is you need to press search at the bottom and go and type in device manager. In here, you need to go and find Bluetooth and expand it to the left. Go and find your Bluetooth adapter. Then what you can do is go and right click on it and you want to press uninstall device. Select attempt to remove and then press uninstall again. Press yes and you can go and restart your computer. When it comes back on, return to your Bluetooth settings and you can repair to the Bluetooth device and then return to your sound settings and make sure you select it as the sound output and that's it.